Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did this look. This video is a day to night look video. A lot of you guys requested me to do this look. Like not exactly this look, but Hande Ercel look. Is this how you pronounce her name? I don't know. I really find this look to be very, very pretty. Also guys, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So let's get started. So I shot almost half of this Hayat look and then I realized that my microphone was not on. So I had to remove my makeup and start again. So I'm going to apply this LA Girl Pro.Prep primer. And I really like this primer because it does not have that silicone feeling on the face. And it's super smooth. It feels like I have nothing on my face. Now I'm going to use this Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. And I'm just going to take a pump of it. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. A lot of you guys send me DMs asking me what shade of foundation or shade of concealer you guys should buy. It's actually impossible to tell what shade of concealer you should go for because I haven't seen you in person and I can't just suggest anything and then you buy it and then you see that it's actually not matching. It's best if you can just go to any beauty store and get the correct shade. This side is with the foundation on and this side is without the foundation on. It's got a beautiful coverage, very, very dewy, and it's got a medium to full coverage. So I have the foundation on and I absolutely love this foundation. Next I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. And I'm just going to blend it with my Real Techniques sponge. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm going to apply it in my under eye area and it just brightens my under eye area. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with this LA Girl Pro.Powder. And then just blend it. Wow, it actually brightened my under eye area. And then I'm just going to pat my entire face with the sponge. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer and I'm just going to fill my brows with this. Mascara sent me this beautiful, beautiful package. Just look at this package, how cute the package looks with the bow and everything. Oh my god. And here is the entire set. So they sent me 2 of these brush sets and if I really like them, I'm going to do a giveaway. So there's some pujo going on. I don't know what pujo this is, but there's loud music going on like bhajan and everything. So if you hear this as a background, it's that what's playing. For my contour, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. So for my contour, I'm going to use this shade. So I'm going to take their F003 brush. This one is a flathead brush, like a contour brush, and the bristles are really, really soft. They are selling 10 pieces for 2,000 rupees and this feels like a luxury product. I'm going to take some contour powder and then contour my face, remove my hair. I really like the brush. The brush is doing a good job. I like this brush. So it just fits right here, which is amazing. Now I'm going to use this F002 brush and I'm going to apply my blush with this. The blush palette I'm going to use today is from Sivanna color and I had my eyes on this blush set for a very, very long time. I'm going to take this shade and apply it. My god, it's a beautiful shade and the brush feels super soft on the skin. I absolutely love it. It looks really, really pretty. The blush gives a very, very fresh look to your face and I absolutely love it. I'm going to apply some more. I know I'm going overboard, but it's okay. Also, the brushes are cruelty free. Now this F002 brush is a blush brush, but you can also use it as a powder brush. This one, F003, is a contour brush, but you can also use it as a foundation brush. Now I'm going to take this shade and highlight my face. And the brush I'm using is this Lakme F004 brush. Oh my god, this is a very pretty highlighter. And I absolutely love this brush too. I actually love the Lakme brushes. I'm going to use these brushes more often in my videos because I absolutely love them. Oh my god, look at the highlighter. Oh my god. So my face is done. Now I'm going to move on with my eyes. Okay, no. Let's apply the lipstick first. The lipstick I'm going to apply today is from Sugar. This is the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade Tan Femme. And it's a very, very pretty shade. And if you apply this lipstick, it's not gonna budge. I'm done with my face and I'm gonna move on to my eyes. I've got two eye looks for you. The first one is a typical Hayat look and the second one is the thumbnail eye look. So for the first eyeshadow look, I'm gonna use this K-Beauty eyeshadow stick in the shade Splendid. This one is a matte brown color. And I absolutely love this. All you have to do is just apply it and then blend it with your fingers. And then blend it with my fingers. Do the same on the other eye. This is the only eyeshadow you need for the Hayat look. Now I'm going to go in with the Kajal. So I'm going to take this Stay Quirky I Love You Too Kajal. So now I'm going to tight line my eyes. And then apply the Kajal on the outer third area. Very, very close to the lash line, upper lash line. And then smudge it with my fingers. She's got really soft smoky eyes. And then just kind of do the same with the bottom lash line. If you have difficulty with your fingers, you can use a pencil brush. I'm going to use this E008 pencil brush from Lakme, and I'm just going to smudge the lower lash line to just get a smoky effect. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to curl my lashes and then put on mascara. The mascara I'm going to use is from Palladio. This is the Lash Obsessed Mascara. This is a really nice mascara. You can just see the difference. Okay, so this is it. This is the Hayat look. Very, very fresh with very contoured face, with subtle brown eyes, a little bit of smoky eyes, lots of mascara. It's not actually lots of mascara, it's just one coat of mascara, and rosy pink lips. If you want, you can make your eyes more smoky. Also going to apply a little bit of highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes to make my eyes look a little open. Yeah, so this is the Hayat look. It's very easy, very simple. I just used one eyeshadow. I just used a little bit of Kajal, smoked it out, and mascara. That's it. I love this look. Now I'm going to move on to the other look. So for the other look, I am going to keep this base. I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Flawless 4 palette. I'm going to take this Lakme blending brush. This is the E006. I'm going to take this brown shade. This is a mid brown shade, not too cool, not too warm. And I'm going to apply it in the crease of my eyes. I'm going to use this shade in the crease of my eyes. This is a dark brown shade. And just bring it out a little, like so. I'm also going to apply it all over the eyelids with the same brush. Now I'm going to mix this one and this one and apply it all over my eyes, including the crease area. No, let's not be lazy. Let's use the pencil brush. I'm going to do the same on my lower lash line. I just mixed this shade and applied it in the lower lash line. Now taking this Lakme E007 eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick this shade and apply it all over my eyelids. And then extend it a little bit. Same on my lower oh, my legs, I can't feel them. I'm also going to do the same on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal in the shade Classic Brown and line my lower lash line. Now taking the Stay Quirky Kajal again, I'm going to tight line my upper lash line. Okay, I just realized that she has kajal on top of her eyelids, just a little bit smoked out. So I'm going to take the Stay Quirky Kajal again and apply it on my upper lash line, like from the middle till the end. And then I'm going to smudge it out. Taking this K-Beauty metallic eyeshadow stick in the shade Blushed Moonlight, I'm just going to line my lower lash line. Since I want my eyelids to be a little bit more glittery, not glittery exactly, but maybe sparkly, so I'm going to add the same eyeshadow stick on top as well. And now I'm gonna apply false lashes and be right back. So this is my finished makeup look. I hope you liked it, and yeah, I actually love it. So I guess I've turned this video into a day to night look video, and yes, I'm using only one lip shade today. So her lips are a little bit more red, so I'm gonna add this Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade Scarlett O'Hara, and this is the one. So I hope you liked this video, and there is a possible giveaway coming soon because I actually ended up loving the brushes. I'll put a screenshot here so that you guys can see. A lot of viewers who regularly watch my videos are not subscribing to my channel. So guys, this, I don't know what to say. So yeah, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button and like, share and comment. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.